Very good morning to all of you, the 9th class students here. We are going to discuss about the different topics of the new chapter here, that is force and laws of motion. And we have already discussed about the different topics of the previous chapter. And I hope here that you all have understood very well about the topics which was taught earlier in the previous days. So right now we are here to take the new topic, that is force. What do you understand by force? Force, to pull or push off any object is called force. Listen it again, to pull or push off any object is called force. For example, suppose we pull or push any door, then the door will be opened or closed. So by pulling or pushing of any door, we can see the existence of force applying on the door. The force can change the shape and size of any object. The force can stop the moving object. The force can change the direction of an object. Force can do many things in our daily life. So by doing these things in our daily life, we can just recognize the existence of force on any object. So there are two types of the forces, balanced force and unbalanced force. What do you understand by balanced force? If the resultant force on any object is zero, then we say that the force is balanced force. For example, when the rope is drawn from the two sides, that is left and right side, by the many persons, and the force on the rope is balanced, that is the force or the resultant force applied by the many persons on the two sides are zero, then we say that the force applied on the rope is balanced force. What do you understand by unbalanced force? If the resultant force acting on any object or a body is not zero, then we say that this force is unbalanced force. For example, the example that you can change the same example, that the rope is drawn from the left and right side by the many persons, and if the forces applying from the both sides are not equal, then we say that the force on the rope is unbalanced force. So it is clear that when the force or the resultant force applying on any object or a body is not zero, then that is unbalanced force, but when the resultant force acting on any body is zero, that is balanced force. So these are the two